Do you feel like your workouts are getting harder than usual? Are you feeling like your heart rate is going way too fast that you can't control it during your workouts? Well, you might be feeling some signs of dehydration. I'm Mar from Strengthen You, your fitness and therapy experts, and in this video, I'll be talking about how much water you should be drinking to perform best in your workouts. According to Canada's health guideline, an average male over the age of 17 should be drinking 3.7 liters of water, and females over the age of 17 should be drinking 2.7 liters of water. Water is important in maintaining blood volume, body temperature, and allow muscle contractions to take place. During exercise, the body maintains its temperature by sweating, which results in the loss of body fluids. Figuring out your sweat rate is crucial in understanding how much water you need to replace during your workouts. The way to find out your sweat rate is very simple. You first have to weigh yourself with minimal clothing, ideally after you empty your bladder. Then start your workout session. After that, you weigh yourself again with minimal clothing, and the difference from the first weight to the second weight is how much water you have lost. In general, for every 2.2 pounds lost is equivalent to 1 liter of fluid intake. So, for example, if I started my workout at 137.2 pounds, and after my workout I weighed at 135 pounds, I have lost 2.2 pounds, which means I should have drank a liter of water during my workout. If you're not able to meet the required water intake during your workout, make sure to do so after your session. Chances of discomfort, increased fatigue, and muscle cramps are higher after your workout due to dehydration. Remember that up to 60% of our bodies are made of water. It only makes sense to recover well in order to do better on your next workout. This is Mar from Strengthen You, and you're just one strategy away from crushing your fitness goals.